Obviously, as you can see, the views aren't too high. I'm thinking, I do have 5,000, like 5.5 subscribers, 5.1, somewhere around there. And we're only getting like 100 to 200 views. And I'm thinking that's because I switched from the S4 to a much crazier project. And I think this could get a ton of views. So if you guys could just do me a solid, share this everywhere, and I really appreciate that. Enjoy the video. What's going on, guys? Welcome to Boost Book Part 2 of the 1985 Ford Mustang GT Drift build. Yes, this is the 302 5-speed Mustang that we are building into an insane drift kart. We're diving right into this thing. If you haven't seen the previous video, you're going to want to see it now because you're going to be able to do a comparison on what we're doing today. So today, I'm setting out to find a set of BBK shorty headers for this, and then also a BBK H-pipe for this. So yeah, I'm thinking that's going to be the setup for this car. We're going to want this thing screaming at the top of its lungs when it is drifting around them corners, wide open throttle. I think what we're going to do with the exhaust is just BBK headers, BBK H-pipe, and then either just run side pipes or just dump them out to the side, whatever, just, straight dumps to the ground pointing outward. I'm thinking side pipes. I think that might be awesome, with a kind of like a flat tip, a flat long tip coming out the side towards the front of the rear. Now that when I say side pipe, that's in front of the rear tire. That's the plan. So my buddy Paul is going to come over. He's going to give us a hand. You're going to be seeing some of him during this build. He helps me out a lot. Great guy. And we're going to start tearing into this car, tearing that old exhaust system off and putting this new exhaust system into the car. It's going to sound absolutely insane, especially considering the disgusting stock exhaust that's on this thing. Alright guys, let's get to it. Alright guys, so I picked up this set of BBK shorty headers and BBK H-pipe, and we're going to get installing this right now. Now the only thing was I picked this off of an 89 Mustang GT. That means there is going to be some differences, but we are absolutely going to be able to make it work. So let's get to it.
Upside down, faces swirling past me, all my memories rolling vastly, cold lost beneath the ground. All done by my own hand, I allow my feelings to become sand. If you're gonna cut me down, better do it quickly now. You can cut me down, but I won't stay for long.
Hey Paul,
Yo.
How much that napkin had?
Ooh, 25, 30 horse.
I was thinking more like 45.
This is not forever. Folks changing like the weather. Cold, weird, and all around. Toxic people being severed, like leaves falling in September. Cold, wet, and on the ground.
have the BBK shorty headers on. Now we're going to get the BBK H pipe on. Now some changes did occur after the 85 Mustang with the exhaust. One thing is that the headers come into a Y. On the 85, the headers actually come into a Y, and it's just a single pipe going under the transmission tunnel, and then they come out into duals. Now on the 89, they're true duals all the way back, so what I had to do was get an 89 trans cross member here, and we're going to switch this one out with the one under the car. Then we should be able to easily fit our BBK H pipe right under there. It is going to sound absolutely insane. Alright guys, I got the original 85 cross member out. You can see there's only one hump on it. That's because, as I said before, you have that Y pipe coming in and one pipe running underneath it. And then here is the 89 cross member. You can see there's two humps because you have two separate pipes running through it, and that's what we're converting this car to with that H pipe. So I'm going to get this one, the 89, into the car because I have that transmission just balancing on the jack right now on a block, so I don't want that for too long. But yeah, let's get to this. Let's clean this up and put it back in there. Alright guys, so as you can see, I have the cross member up on the transmission. You can see the two inlets, or the two humps for the exhaust. There's an old hanger on there that we cut. I have to take that down right there. But yeah, you can see the first hump there and the second hump right there. Sorry, not much light, but yeah, before right here, it just went straight across. So what we did was just add that bump there. All right, guys, let's keep it going. Let's install that H pipe. All right, guys, we got the BBK headers in. The headers went in with not a lot of issues. The only thing was, like I said, I bought this exhaust system off an 89 Mustang. So I actually had to, I don't know if you could see down here, I had to bang out the first and third tube a little bit to be able to fit the steering column coming through, but they work perfectly. I also have the H pipe, BBK H pipe up here all set to go. And man, we're gonna start this thing up. I am super excited to hear it. Cold start, of course. BBK shorty headers to a BBK H pipe, two cats. Then we're gonna have to decide what we do with those two pipes, where I'm gonna bring them. Either a turn down dump or side pipes, I don't know, man. But yeah, let's get to it, guys. Super excited to hear this. It's gonna sound insane. Let's get to it. Guys, I think that sounds absolutely perfect. I don't know, man. Nothing beats an unrestricted V8 5.0 liter. Sounds absolutely insane. Gonna sound even crazier when it's wide open throttle, echoing off of everything. Super excited, as you can tell. Now, I'm not sure what I'm gonna do yet with that exhaust. I'm really thinking side pipes. I think that would look awesome. It would sound great, and yeah, I think that's what I'm gonna do. So, hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Let's keep growing this community, and of course, make sure to leave your comment below. Thank you guys so much, and have an awesome day. Look forward to the next and upcoming videos.